Hey guys, in this module, we're going to talk about getting started in real estate. What needs to happen and what my advice and what my strategy would be getting started if I were to start today as a brand new investor in real estate. The first thing I would do is I would get started by connecting with as many people that are at a level that you want to be at and surround yourself with those people. A few of those ways that I would do it is I would find any and all networking events that have to do with real estate and just dive into all of those events. I would go to every single Rehab meetup I could find or regular real estate meetup I could find. I would just dive into that community and really spend time with those people that are making the moves. That's what I would do. I would learn to kind of think like them, look at the deals they look at, and really understand what they're looking for in deals and just dive into the community that way. Another thing I would do is I would go on Facebook and in the area that I live in, whether it's Cincinnati, Cleveland, Jacksonville, California, anywhere else in the country or even the world, I would go on Facebook and I would join real estate groups specific to my city. I would join a Jacksonville real estate investor group on Facebook, and I would start just paying attention to the posts, paying attention to what they're looking at, what people are saying, and just really kind of look at the deals and just underwrite the deals that they're putting up there so you can understand it. So we're going to get into underwriting deals, we're going to get into analyzing the deals, but what I would do is just dive into a real life community and a virtual community of people that are doing exactly what you want to be doing and surround yourself with those kind of people so you can get familiar with what they're talking about and what they're looking at in deals.